Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to leave a blank comment on Instagram. So let me just show you that I can in fact leave a blank comment on Instagram. We'll go to a post we want to leave a blank comment on. I did already test it once, so you can see it, but we'll go ahead and press on Add Comment, press Paste, and press Post. And there is my comment right there. You can see that we can heart them. Just to prove their fact right there, I am Shane Stephen Smith, and there is nothing written there. So when I was looking online on how to leave a blank comment on Instagram, or anywhere else for that matter, on an Android device, it seemed like none of the solutions worked. You know, there was one solution that recommended copying the space between two brackets, pasting that space on the comments area, and then that was supposed to leave a blank comment. However, that does not work on an Android device. There was another method where you turn on your microphone, record nothing, turn off your microphone, and then basically send that blank recording as a blank comment. But that does not work on an Android device either. Here is what I found does work. Go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video. You'll be brought to a page that looks like this. It's basically a page that discusses what a zero width joiner is. A zero width joiner, or a zwidge, is basically an invisible character that you can use on comments lines. So it's basically like an invisible emoji. All you have to do is press the button down at the bottom that says copy. It'll say copy to confirm. Go back to Instagram. Go ahead and click on your comments. Press and hold. Click paste. And then click post. You can see that my third blank comment, my wife will be so happy, has been posted. We can heart it just to be sure. And there it is. I hope this video helped you out on how to leave a blank comment on Instagram. If it did, annihilate that like button for me and consider subscribing, because we talk about this sort of thing often. Thanks again for watching. Take care.